Say
Hey,
Merry
Mark,
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Here, Mark.
Say Merry Christmas.
Open.
Open, Mark. Help Kyle.
Help Kyle open. Here, let Mark help you.
Hurry up.
Yay.
You like it, Mark?
Wow, again!
Frosty the Snowman.
And let's open the next present.
Just hold on, Kyle.
Go. Let's open another present. Let's open this present next.
No.
Thumpity thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity thump, thumpity thump, over the hills of snow. Merry Christmas, Kyle and Mark. From Grandpa and Grandma, we love you. And Merry Christmas.
They were
To
surprised.
record, move switch to unlock position.
No.
He let
Oh, stop! Don't push buttons. Wait.
There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around.
Wait. Mark, no. Wait. Here's the first page.
Hi, Kyle and Mark. This is Frosty the Snowman from
Hi.
Grandpa and Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa and Grandma.
Wait.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Kyle and Mark, can you dance?
Can you
You
dance?
dance? Come on, show
Dance.
Dance.
Dance, Mark.
Dance, Mark. Dance. Yay. Dance. Yay. Dance. Go, Kyle. Dance, Kyle.
Okay, come back to the story. Wait, we got more from the story from Grandpa and Grandma.
Here's your foot.
Here we go. That's Frosty the Snowman.
To record, move switch.
Frosty the Snowman
It's
was
Grandpa.
alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Frosty the Snowman knew the sun was hot that day, so he said, let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away. Down to the village with a broomstick in his hand, running here and there all around the square, saying, catch me if you can.
He led them to record, move switch to unlock position.
Stop.
He led them down the streets of town, right to the traffic cop. And he only paused a moment when he heard him holler, stop!
I want
Frosty
you
the Snowman
again.
had to hurry on his way, but he waved goodbye, saying, don't you cry, I'll be back again someday.
Dang.
Thumpity thump, thumpity thump, look at Frosty go. Thumpity thump, over the hills of snow. Merry Christmas, Kyle and Mark. From Grandpa and Grandma, we love you. And Merry Christmas.
I want to open this.
How awesome